chop game. Market makers playing that chop game. Traders getting wrecked, don't trade it the same. Long it, pull back, short it, moon quick. Market makers in the back, laughing. Confirm breakout. No, now it's reversing. Market makers bait the highs and slice the lows. Paint the picture, then it folds. Fake bull flags, fake bear traps, jumping in late. That bag collapsed. Whipsaw move, straight disrespectful. No trend, just chop. Feeling regretful. Market makers see it stop like X-ray vision. Liquidity hunting, that's their mission. Retail trying to snipe the top. Market makers cooking, it's getting hot. Revenge trading will break your soul. Fear, greed.
That's right, guys. Revenge trading will break your soul. Don't do revenge trading. You get stopped out, you get stopped out. Let's go ahead and get started. Here we go in 3, 2, and a 1. A bingo, bango, bingo, and a bango. So I didn't want to sit through the whole song. Normally, when the song's going, I'm doing a lot of stuff in the background to get everything going. But we're really late. And man, today has been really, really busy. Really busy. And just having a great day. Just having a great day. If you're not having a great day, just take a break, relax, read a book. Read a book. So here is a book that I have. Granted, would I recommend this book? I mean, you could, but so I'm outside, story time. Joe, we haven't even started yet. So I'm outside, right? And I said, you know what? I have had this book for a long time. I need to read it. It's called The One Thing, The Surprisingly Simple Truth Behind Extraordinary Results. Basically, just doing one, just like have goals. That's basically what it is. So I go and let me read this to you, okay? I don't know if I get copyrighted or whatever. But chapter one, I'm sitting outside, you know, just getting one with the earth. And I said, man, I need to start reading this book. Chapter 1, The One Thing. Joe, we're here for crypto. The One Thing. Chapter 1, that's the title. On June 7th, 1991, the earth moved for 112 minutes. Not really, but it felt that way. I was watching the hit comedy City Slickers. Meh. I don't care what you're watching. Give me your outline. Give me your strategy. Give me the meat potatoes. I don't want. Well, there was the sun was beaming into my eyes as I was walking down the path. Dude, just tell me what you saw. So I said, okay. Let me calm down. Let me calm down a little bit. Let me go to chapter 2. Chapter 2, the domino effect. I don't know if y'all can see that. The domino effect. So I said, all right, you know, I need to get this, you know, so I'm going to give it a shot. The domino effect. The Netherlands on Domino Day, November 13, 2009. Domino Productions court the world record domino fall. How does that even... This, in my opinion, this book, which I'm not going to read, it was just a waste of money. In this book, you could have it in a clip note. Right? And I actually saw the clip. Well, it was something, a YouTube video, where it says, when you wake up, write 3 things that you need to accomplish. And if that's too many, just write 1. Go for a walk. Read a chapter. Read the Bible. You know, chart for 20 minutes. Whatever it is, but hopefully you get 3. And just write it down. There, the end. Okay, moving on. Let's go ahead and see who's in the chat. Let's see here. We got Steve in the chat with the bingos and the bangos. I might have lost everybody with reading that book, but it's all right. We got Dylan in the house. What's up, Dylan? Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. We got John 316 in the house. Thank you, John, for being here. Let's see here. We got West saying good morning. Yes, good morning indeed. Techman with the bingos and the bangos. So, guys, if you are not a part of my Discord, it's free. So there's a lot of ways I want to help. Now, if you want access to me almost 24/7, holy smokes. Hey, thank you. Thank you so much. Let's see here. Wes says, read, go higher. I hope it's a good book. I need to start reading again. I really do. Because what I really like doing, and I've been doing this since I've been here, I wake up around 7-ish. Before I'd wake up much later, but now I wake up around 7-ish. I go outside, walk around the property, just to walk. Walk around the property, and it's not like I'm doing like 10 miles or nothing like that. Just, just a little bit of walk. And then I sit down, and I just like hear the birds chirping and getting that fresh air. And I'm out there for like a good 30 minutes, maybe an hour. It's almost like meditating for me anyway. And then I come inside, I do the charts, update the group, everything else. But I would check that book out. Let's see here. Go higher. But I do need to read. I want to read by Big Sean. Okay. So let's see. Little Casper in the house. Hey, I just joined. Hey, awesome. So yeah, so definitely, if you want access to me almost 24/7, join the Telegram group. That's a VIP group. If you are, kind of like, well, what is it? I have a video. If you're interested, send me a message, trade_intuition on Telegram, and I have a video. I don't pressure you into buying. If you want to join the group, join the group. But a free area is on Discord. So on Discord, we're there, we're talking just about other stuff. Got, a bunch of people, well, not a bunch, but we have some people in there, and like really smart guys. So definitely check that out. And then also on Patreon, I'm putting stuff on there too for free. Like I'm really trying to help everybody. So for me, I want to get rich with you, not because of you. I see a lot of other traders out there that are showing you how to trade, but if you only pay them, I don't do that. But thank you, Wes. Appreciate that, man. And any discount, any donation you do, it's very, very much appreciated. So thank you very much. Okay, here we go. Can we do VRA? Yes. Let's get started, guys. Again, if I have coins, I get to work VRA. I miss VRA. Man, do I miss VRA. I miss it being at 7 cents, 8 cents, man. Okay, let's see here. So here we go. The crypto bubbles on the daily. We have pump up. We have MNT up. AVAX up. We're actually in AVAX, but we've been in it for too long. I think we're in it like a week already, and it just started moving. So like I said, like these coins, it's literally, nobody knows when they're going to move. Nobody. And all these other groups, what they're doing is it's a numbers game. Once you realize it, once the veil is lifted off of your eyes, you see it's like, oh, wow, yeah. The owner of the group, he posts 10 charts a day or 5 charts. Each of his admins posts 5, 10 charts a day. So that's why they're getting those results. But like, what about all the other trades that didn't play out? Like you're wrecking your members, in my opinion. But this one we did post, I think I want to say like a week ago. And it's finally moving. Finally. So we'll check out all these coins. Let's see here. Let's go to the hourly time frame. Uh-oh, does this mean Bitcoin's coming down? We'll find out in just a moment. We're waiting for that rollover, guys. I keep on talking about it. Like the thumbnails that I have, they give you a clue of what I'm thinking. And you'll see it too, like to where one thumbnail saying something like kind of like red or negative. Then the other thumbnail is following up on that because, well, more than likely it happened. Then the next thumbnail is like possible bounce. And then the next thumbnail is, possible rejection. So I'm kind of explaining what I think might happen. Let's see here for the liquidation. No, yeah, it's liquidations. This 24-hour time frame. And you can see it up here, 24 hours. We're right in the middle. We're looking weak, though. We're looking really weak. Let's go to the 12-hour time frame. Looking weak. Looks like it wants to roll over. There's a lot of liquidations right here. 108 million. 108.43 to be exact. Sitting at 113.041. Holy smokes. Then 101.63 million. So over 200 and, well, just say, you can just call it 210 million. Sitting right here. 113 and 112.95. So like $50 apart. It's a lot of liquidations right here, guys. We are closer and we look like we're rolling over. We cannot get here unless we break this level. It's impossible. So I do think that possibly we may come down before going up. But again, I don't know. Let's see here. Let me catch up in the chat really quick. Going in the list. See, John says, I heard inflation data was good. It went down. So yes, and I actually posted that in both areas, the Discord and the VIP group. Of course, the VIP group, I went into like a lot, really great detail as far as, well, in my opinion, great detail. So let's see here. So we talked about, I wish I could. Okay, so let me, no, because I don't want to show everything. It's the VIP section. That's the only reason why. But let's come over here. And right when we're coming up. So this, let me bring it over. So this is what I put for the VIP group. And it's basically, the update is generally good news for the traders, especially in risk assets like stocks and crypto. So this news is good. Overall, this is bullish news. However, I'm still looking for that rollover. And BC Poor Corp in the Discord free portion says that, this may be, a kind of like buy the rumor, sell the news event. So if we do get the rate cuts, which I'm pretty sure we will, I'm thinking we're going to go up and then boom, come down, because people are just taking profits. And BC Poor Corp is saying that this might be like a sells and news event, which I agree with. But I put that on there. Then the next one, I put this. This is for the VIP members. I didn't put this in the Discord. But short-term impact, what does it mean? Here's information what it means. Long-term impact is what it means. So for the short term, it's bullish. And then for the long term, if inflation rates keep falling, the central banks could start cutting rates, which would be good for people because now they can borrow more money. But see, here's the thing though, like we're in such large debts that we are using credit cards. Well, I'm not, but a lot of people in general are using the credit cards just to survive, just because everything's so expensive. Ham, bread, mayonnaise. Man, I haven't bought mayonnaise in years. Peanut butter, cereal, milk, eggs, everything. Like the price is just going up and up and up and up. So because of that, like people are getting credit cards to buy food. So now, if they want to go to a bank to get a loan, well, now the interest rates will be lower, which is good, but they're borrowing money. And how are they going to pay it back? And especially if they get cut from their job, it's looking bad, guys. It's like, in my opinion, we are going, like a lot of people talk about the R word, recession. And like, we're just getting closer. There's no way that we can avoid it, in my opinion. Like the system is set up to do that, to do a reset, just in my opinion. Let's see here. John says, you better not buy mail. You're training now. Yeah, I don't buy mail. I love mail. Man, do I love it. But I don't buy it because I haven't had it in years, like literally years. Because I know it's like probably like the worst condiment you can do. I do mustard, but I don't do ketchup. I love ketchup, but I try not to do ketchup. I'll do some mustard. I don't do mayonnaise, man. I miss mayonnaise. Now, if I do get mayonnaise, it's just, like a thing of mayonnaise would last me like a year. I don't know if it goes past the expiration date. But it takes a long time for me to use any condiment really. But yeah, let's see here. And today is day 3, guys. Today is day 3 of me training, working out. So feeling good. Let's see, long term. We talked about that already. And let's see here. So trader takeaways, immediate short term, likely bullish spike in crypto. And we've seen it too. And we're seeing it. The medium, it supports a broader bullish cycle if rates are cut. And the risk is an overreaction in the short term could create fake outs. And that's what BC Port Corp was talking about. Wait for confirmation before entering big positions. And that's what I had posted in the VIP group. And then went on to do a video just for the VIP in reference to Bitcoin, the market, the coins that we're actively in, the coins that we're looking at, what we're waiting for. So I did all that for the VIP. All right. So that's a taste of the VIP. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Alexander G with the $5. Thank you so much. Once again, all that really does help out. It helps support the channel. And you're amazing. Thank you. Thank you, Alexander G. Appreciate you. Mayo is delish. But yeah, not the healthiest. Yeah. And pickles. I love pickles. Pickles. My buddy who 2 years ago now was helping me train and everything. But he says, yeah, Joe, pickles are good. They'll fill you up. And I don't know. I think the calories are like super, super tiny, if there's any. He would weigh stuff and everything. He was crazy. I don't do that. But I think he was trying to get me to do that. It's like, nah, it's okay. It's okay. But yeah, man, I need to get me an air fryer because I don't want to do it in the oven. I need to get me an air fryer, but man, they're expensive. Well, for me, anything above like $20 is expensive. I'm very frugal, very frugal. I live frugally so that I could be rich, but I want an air fryer so that I can cook fish in there. I love fish. Okay, moving on. I'm hungry too. So you're going down the list. See here. I think we have been in a recession. Yeah, no kidding, man. Shoot. It's funny how they changed the definition. Hey, you pay them enough. The ones who made the definition, you pay them enough, they'll change it. Numbers were illegally hidden for the past 4 years. And like, I believe, one, the children are our future. And two, that people who do this deliberately, they're creating fraud and they should be in prison, in my opinion. Put a 1 in the chat if you agree. Put a 7 if you don't agree. 1 if you agree that they should be held accountable. Holy smokes. Air fryer fund. There you go. Oh, I love it. You're the best. You're the best. Let's see here. Thank you, Alexander G. Thank you. Let's see here. Steve says they are healthier males like Dukes or make your own. Right, there you go. But yeah, I haven't, man, ooh. No, wait, I tell you what, I had Burger King like a month ago. Yeah, when I was moving over here, I had Burger King and they had mayo on their burger. Oh my gosh, that was so good. Mayo and ketchup. Oh my gosh, that sucker was so juicy. Prior to that, I had one maybe like 2 years ago. I guess they changed cooks or something. About 2 years ago, I was like, man, there's a Burger King. I haven't had Burger King forever. I get a Burger King and man, that sucker was super dry. Crazy. So a month ago when I was moving out here, I was like, man, I'm gonna get me a burger. So I got me a burger and it had mayo. Man, that sucker was so juicy with all the mayo and ketchup and just the burger. Oh my, the tomatoes were good. It wasn't like the first time I had it where the tomatoes are like this big and like that thin. The second time I went, there were tomatoes. I was like, man, they must have changed ownership or something. Anyway, talking about food. So we're gonna do VRA. Any other coins, guys? Any other coins? We got Melissa in the house. What's up, Melissa? Appreciate you being here. Appreciate you guys. Okay, air fryers are the best. Yeah, I want one. I really do. I've been wanting one for a few years. I really thought my cousin was gonna buy one, but we were just kind of like looking at him, and he cooks, man. But I'm thinking about buying one. All right, so let's go and get started, guys. Right now, we are looking at Bitcoin on the daily. It's very good to zoom out on the daily. We do see, of course, we had our high, this all-time high. We're coming down. We did not want to break this low, but again, having a retrace is fine. We retraced, we came up, we broke the low. So this right here, a bounce right here would have been perfect for us to continue this. And this would have been nice. Retrace. Let's go. Let's go. Moon mission, all aboard type scenario. And we did not bounce here off of this trend line, which is extremely important. But we instead broke this level. And this is our 4 hour. No, this is not a 4 hour. It's just a level on the 4 hour. And sure enough, we broke below it. We created resistance. So this now is our like little box, a resistance box. Came into the box, came down. So now we can see that we're establishing lower highs and lower lows. Then we come up here. Now we're potentially making we are right now. We're doing a higher high, which is good. And it broke this one too, which is good. Now, I've been mentioning this since it's only been a month. Feels like forever. No, I think I was talking about it over here too. If we do this, man, I wish I would. Anyway, where I'm saying that when we're back over here, I'm saying we could come up here, then come down. I didn't think we were going to do this, but could come up here, come down, and then do a lower high. Get rejected here, do a lower high, and then start coming down and attacking this and maybe attacking this. Now that more time has passed, we've actually come up here. We came down. So now what I'm looking for, and I guess I've been talking about since we started coming down. I'll say here. I think it was here. What I'm looking for is for us to come back up to this level so that we can start rolling over. This is what I'm thinking. And let's just see if we do a rollover here, or if we re-enter this zone. This is the tipple, the trade intuition power lines. These are the power lines, guys. If we do come in here, then, first level has been broken right here. This was our level that we need to break, 113.14. This is the level we need to break. We still have 7 hours to go on the daily. But if we go to a lower time frame, you can see the candles have been closing, candle close rather. So this is good. This is level 1 for potentially becoming bullish. Level 2 is when we break this trend line. Level 3 is when we break 116.936, preferably on higher time frames. A 4 hour, a daily is what we're looking for. If it's a 3 minute, it doesn't hold so much weight. So just let you know. Let's see here. Burger King original chicken sandwich used to be the best when I ate. Crap. Yeah, man. I used to buy Burger King the Whoppers for 99 cents. Joe, was everything black and white? The horse wagons were messy. But anyway, 99 cents. I was in pest control, and I'd go and I'd get, all you need is one. I'd eat one, boom, $1, eat a meal. Love it. Now that same Whopper by itself is like $7 or something. I don't even know how much it is. It's crazy. I just bought a new fancy one. The Typher Dome 2 air fryer. It's probably not worth the price as my $100 ones, but have worked just as well. Hey, there you go. Don't eat fast food anymore. So good. See here. Yeah, all the ingredients have gone downhill. Yep. And employees don't take pride. Oh my gosh, man. The employees are so rude. I thought it was just Georgia. I come over here to Georgia and, I go to fast food and they're like I'm bothering them. And you know, when they greet me, $7.94. Oh, hi, how's it going? Oh, hi, $7.94. Okay, here you go. Like, what happened to customer? Sir, hey, how's it going? You know, hopefully you're having a good day. Total came out to $7.94. Blah, blah, blah. It's like, oh, cool, thank you, man. So whenever people do, like, have manners and they're polite, I make sure to, can I talk to your manager? Oh, yeah. I just wanted you to know they are doing fantastic. Yeah, man, I go crazy. Like, they're doing a great job. Yeah. See here. In and out. I'm thinking that's a burger place. I think I'm just too lazy to cook. I think I need to get married again. Joe, that's no chauvinist. No, Joe, it's the same here in South Carolina. I think it's just the way the kids are being brought up. Man, I sound really old. Where's my rocking chair? I sound really old. All right. So for Bitcoin, I am looking for a rollover. I would like to see the price come up here before it rolls over. And once it starts creating lower highs, so right now we're doing higher lows. Low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Once we start breaking these lows, that's what I'm looking for. And what I want to see, what I would really like to see, is, you know, price come down, fine. You know, price goes up, price comes down. It is what it is. But then for it to roll over, okay, step one or level one, then level two, now we're level three with this line. So here's our one, here's our two, here's our three. Could we enter on one? Definitely. Can it reverse on us? Sure. But that's the risk we take. Higher risk, higher reward. And then this is level two. Can it still reverse on us? Sure. But, you know, we have the likelihood of maybe it not going up. Level three, can it reverse on us? Sure, but more than likely it's already showing weakness. So these are the different strengths. Let's see here. Joe, don't worry. After our meeting today, you will hear about meal prep. Yeah. So the only thing with meal prep is it costs money. Like, it's so expensive to eat healthy. It really is. Fruits, vegetables, meat. I love me some steak. Eggs. I love me some eggs. Man, I would buy 3 dozen of eggs and they would last me like a week and a half. Man, I love me some eggs. Boiled eggs. Just regular cooked eggs with ham. Man, I love it. It's just expensive. Fish. Ooh, I love me some fish, some baked fish. And everything I love doing is baking because it's so easy. You put it in there, 40 minutes later, boom, done. You know, chicken. Ooh, I love me some baked chicken. And I don't eat like all the mashed potatoes. And I know bread, stay away from this and that. But the thing is, like, eating unhealthy is very doable because it's so cheap. Because it's all mass produced or whatever you want to call it. But eating healthy, man, that's, and you got to get a second job for that. But yeah. Man, I remember story time. Man, I'm doing a lot of stories today. Hopefully y'all are okay with it. Story time. I remember I was young, guys. I was young. 10th grade. Remember 10th grade? 10th grade, man, I was fit. Joe, you say fat? No, I was fit. I was fast. Football, when we would run and, do our, going 40 yards and 20 yards and 30 yards, whatever. Man, I was like the second one. Man, I was quick. I was fast. And then we moved to Houston. And in Houston, I was with my uncle for a little bit. He was a very successful lawyer. Man, we ate great. Oh my gosh. Well, we went to Houston, to go back to mom because, we're over there. And, she didn't have so much money. And we had to make ends meet however we could. And there was a day-old bakery, literally within walking distance. And we could buy 10 honey buns for $1. Joe, did you have to walk uphill both ways? Calm down, calm down. Yes, I understand I'm old. and 10 honey buns for $1. So we would buy $1's worth, $2 worth, whatever. And then there was times where there were 20 honey buns for $1. 20. So guess who gained weight? This guy. Man, I used to be the second run fastest. Then I moved to Houston and was there for like 6 months. Man, I gained so much weight. Oh my gosh. Never looked back. Never looked back. So, but hopefully, you know, now with me kind of trying to do something. So we'll see. Let's see here. I say that too for my yard work, Joe. I need to rent a husband. That's funny. That's funny. And it's funny too. Yesterday, so the people they mowed the property, but I have a one of them push mowers. So I was out there yesterday just having some fun. Joe, you can do it. So many recipes online. The possibilities are endless. Easy ones too. Yeah, I want to do the air fryer thing though, because I don't want to be in the kitchen cooking. I just want to put in the thing, push a couple buttons, and then come back 30 minutes later and dinner. See here, late to the party. What's up, wealth accumulators? What's up, man? Ramen noodles, gourmet day. Ramen noodles, vegetables, and leftover meat from Taco Tuesday. Hey, there you go. Okay, see here, we're going to do VRA. Any of the coins, guys? Any of the coins? We're going to get to business already. Here. See here. Meal prepping is cheap. Yeah. And that's what I need to do. I need to meal prep. And I see it a lot too. Like on YouTube Shorts, like all these food prep things. And super cheap. You know, and I know I'm not supposed to have rice, but these guys, you know, they're in great shape and everything. You know, they have their rice. I love me some greens. But and then they'll have like their little chicken or whatever it is. But like I said, all that's money, man. It's expensive. See, meal prepping is cheap if you know how and what you're doing. I eat for an entire day for less than $10 a day. Yeah. So right now, I don't like it though, but right now, I think I'm doing about $5 a day. Yeah, about $5. I like it when it's $20 a day. Food, yummy. But yeah, right now it's about $5. Maybe $7. We'll say $5. Fast food is expensive. It is very expensive. Man, I remember going to, you know, getting a meal for like $7. Like everything supersized and everything. Now that same meal is like $14. I was like, holy smokes. And I went to Dairy Queen like 2 days ago. Joe, can you stop talking about food? Okay, this is the last story. I went to Dairy Queen about 2 weeks ago. And I got the chicken tenders or what, steak fingers or whatever they're called. And I got that. It's only like almost $20. Granted, I did get a Blizzard. It's like literally almost $20. And I go and I open the thing, and the steak fingers, one's this big, one's this big, one's this big, and you know they're like super incredibly tiny. And I open it up and I say, hey man, like, listen, I get it, but they come in different sizes. I get it, man. But normally if something is like super tiny and the average size is whatever, like you throw in 2 of them. And I said, like, I'm literally at the point of just getting my money back. Like this, I can't see myself spending $20 on this meal. And the food, like, sure, there was fries, but like the main course of the food was like this big. It was like, man, there's no way. And so he gave me more. He gave me more of the those little things. I was like, thank you, man. Like I'm not one to complain, but good Lord, $20. Like I can't see myself spending that. So he was real good. He was a young guy, and he handled it very professionally. So that was good. All right, moving on. No more food talk for me. Meal prepping used to be cheap. Everything costs so much. I know. I'm doing all right. Some great money today. Hey, there you go. On a Bitcoin long. Very good. Hopefully you took profit. Because I wouldn't. Oh, speaking about that, we were talking about this yesterday. As far as the long. So here was our stop loss at 0.5%. We needed this to go off to go for the long. Price did come up here. Then, of course, it did this number. So if you took the trade, granted, we didn't give you any targets, but the first target would have been underneath this, of course. Then the next target would have been here. Then the next target would have been here. You know, chance of it hitting here, it just depends. And we did, but still. But you always want to go for the, like the pivots. That's where I go. Oh yeah, that was yesterday's call out. So if you did that, great. I forgot about it. I had my alert. My alert went off and everything. And I saw it's all right, cool. I even made a video. Oh wait, no, did I get in it? Am I in it? I don't even know. I made a video for my group. I believe here. I made another update for my group. It's like, hey guys, just to let you know, the alert went off. Talked about this on YouTube. And then, it came down to our purple line, which is over here. And then sure enough, boop. And it's either going to go up or down. And we just happened to catch it. And the reason I'm thinking it's going to go up is because, well, it came down so much. That was my reason. Okay, moving on. Let's go over here. And again, there's two things. One, price is going to go up. Price is going to go down. Price goes down after price goes up. Price goes up after price goes down. It just depends on how much. And nobody knows. In my opinion. See here. See here. Yep, baby steps. That's what it's about. Baby steps. Hey, crypto change me. What's up, bet? What's going on? Better late than never. What's up, Joe? Hey, doing good. Doing good. Flea virus in the house. What's going on? What's going on? Holy smokes. BC Pork Corp is a millionaire. I buy 600 pounds of beef at a time directly from the ranchers. 200 pounds of healthy pork for... What? Did you give out a zero? For $450? That's it? That's not expensive to eat healthy. Holy smokes. That's crazy. To get that much for only $450? I know people that spend $450 like every time they go to the grocery store. And that's only like to survive for like a week, maybe two, maybe a week and a half, with kids and everything. Holy smokes. Joe got all the excuses. I ain't got excuses. I got reasons, my friend. It's expensive. But $450, shoot, man, can you imagine that? You buy a freezer. You buy this for $450. Man, you know how long that would last me? That would be insane. That's crazy. Air fryers are super easy to use. That's why I want one, because they're easy. You just push a couple buttons, you step away, you come back. Yeah, that's crazy, man. Not even 30 minutes. Air fryers cook fast. Yeah, I've seen it. Some baked fish with some, what's the name of asparagus? I love me some asparagus. Food City has substandard meats. Fridays 5 for 20. Oh, really? I like to grill. I haven't grilled in a long time. I miss it. I like just being out there and the smell of the smoke. And I don't really do the propane because the propane, you can might as well just do it inside. Joe, you've been talking about cooking all day long. Sorry. I'm spending 600 pounds a month on my dog food. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. Fast food makes you broke fast. Shrinkflation, big time. And now it's a different subject. Yes. English Bulldog, high maintenance. Yep. That's Weight Watchers. Joe, I have taken so much notes in this stream from our meeting. LOL. Man, the meeting will go smooth now. Oh, awesome, man. I cook. Ooh, fresh salmon regularly. Oh my, Melissa, you rich? Good Lord. I love me some salmon. I love seafood. Salmon, crab legs, shrimp. See here. Do the apps for fast food. You get free things. Hey, there you go. I feel the pain. Take profit was at 114,300. 114. Oh, nice. Oh, did you get it? You probably got it. I think you just got it. Nice. And if you missed it, best to take profit, but you already know that. But for anybody who doesn't know, so here's the thing too. Like for in my group, let's say our take profit is right here. And we have this insane move. If I happen to see it, and let's just say we're right here, I will tell the group, I say, I recommend taking profits right now. Granted, we're really close, we're like 5% away or whatever from our target, but I would recommend taking profit right now because we don't know if it's just going to dump. And then maybe it hits our target a few days later, if it hits our target. So, and then there's times where like we're super close and it starts coming down. Again, I make an announcement, take profit. Like that was your target and we just missed it by like a penny or two, take profit. Because you don't want to miss out on it just because you're trying to get 0.5% more or 2% more. And then it comes all the way down here. Then something happens to the market and then now the stop loss gets hit. So yeah, that's one thing that I tell the group all the time. Yeah. Okay. True. Shrinkflation. Yep. Free birthday stuff. Dutchie in the house. What's up, Dutchie? Okay. See here. Look up Leviticus 11. Not telling you how to live. I just don't eat the trash disposal. Leviticus 11, what does it say? Eat meat or something? Or not eat meat? See here. Bro, buy the producers. Buy from the producers. It's cheap. Yep. Stock the freezer. Yeah. Dude, I'm telling you that right there, $450 could last me like more than likely a year. That's crazy. Joe, when you get an air fryer, can you live stream it? Sure, why not? But like, all right, guys, we're cooking some fish. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, that's the end of the stream. Yum, yum. Y'all got me like super hungry now. See here. Oh yeah, the George Foreman grills. What I do want is, I've been wanting one for years, is a grilled cheese sandwich one. Man, put some butter on there, some cheese, some bread, slam that sucker down, wait a few moments, and then you get some grilled. I haven't had grilled cheese in forever. I'm talking like years. I miss me some grilled cheese. I love crypto talk. Yeah, we haven't talked crypto at all today. Feels like a Sunday. Let's see here. Okay. Lola Caspo says, can we talk crypto now? Yeah, man. Sorry. I put y'all through all that stuff. Hey, we got JR in the house. What's going on? So, any of the coins, guys, we're going to do VRA. And I think that's the only one. See. Vegan, I don't think I can afford anymore. Yeah, vegan. I actually want to plant some lettuce and stuff. We'll see. All right, so let's get started, guys. So we kind of talked about Bitcoin already, talked about what it might do, what I'm looking for, potentially, you know, coming up eventually. You know, it doesn't have to come up right now, but kind of come down, then up, then roll over, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, no, we need to talk about it. It's a crypto channel, not a food channel. Food. Joke. All right, moving on. Let's see here. So let's do some VRA. Let us do some VRA. So let's go to YouTube. Let's go to VRA. I haven't looked at VRA in a long time. Matter of fact, I need to unstake my VRA to, I mean, not unstake it, but I need to restake it. VRA, USDT, and we'll probably do a Mexi. Let's do a Mexi. Oh my gosh, VRA, you're killing me, VRA. Man, that's so sad. I had so much money in this coin. So much. Hey, we got Road Dog in the house. What's up, Road Dog? What's today? Is today Tuesday or Wednesday? I'll probably find it before y'all because of the delay. Today's Wednesday. Man, VRA, dude. Do I think it'll go back to all-time high? No. Should I have cashed out when it reached 8 cents, even though I said I was going to cash out at 7, retire, buy an island? Yeah. I should have. But I didn't. Greed got me. And now I'm just holding the bag. Something that was worth a whole bunch of money, like a lot. It's going to buy an island, guys. It's going to buy an island. Is now worth can't even buy a Snickers. Because we all know Snickers satisfies. And I am unsatisfied right now with the crypto. Unsatisfied. All right, moving on. So let's go and delete the 13 drawings. What do I think about VRA? Could it pump? Sure, it has before. So from this breakout, it went all the way up 93%. Very nice. 93%. From this breakout, it went up 90%. From this breakout, it went up almost 170%. So can it make you money on breakouts? Sure. The next breakout that we would be looking for is right here, 0.001803. And we would actually wait for this. Can we wait for it on the daily? Yeah, we can do it daily. So the daily candle, not the 4-hour or the 1 hour, the daily candle needs to close above this level before we can enter. Daily. Boop. Candle needs to close above this. But Joe, that's like 80% right there. I know. But it can also drop. That's 40%, man, 50%. Now, if you believe in this project, which this is the downfall of the fundamental analysis. I did fundamental analysis. They were doing great. They actually, at the time that I did the FA on this, they were actually going into games. And so that was a gaming platform. And they also had a, what else did they have? They had games to where you would literally get paid to play the games, and you would get paid for, I think, watching the games too. And they have, you know, where the advertising industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and they actually, they oh, what's the word I'm looking for? A patent. They did some patents to where, you know, it's basically like making sure that you're human. They did all that stuff, man. I love them so much. Now, I don't even think I'm gonna get my initial investment back. I really don't. And I'll let this go to zero. I don't even care. I don't even care. I put so much money into this. There's no way I'm gonna cash out at 98% loss. Let's make it 100. I don't even care. Now, if it's a 30% loss, I'll take it. I'll take 30% loss. It's okay. 60%, 70, 80, 98. Nah, take it. Take it, guys. I don't. So, yeah. So that's my thought process on now. Could you enter right now? Sure. Why not? This looks like a good entry. If you believe in the coin, I don't. Joe, why are you still holding it? Because I gotta wait. So what I would do is I would enter right now, and this would be for an investment, a 2-month investment until November. I'm not holding this in the bear market. I'm not doing none of that crap. It's a 2-month hold. So let's go ahead and put that here. Sell in November. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. So I would buy right now. Looks good for a bounce, possible area for a bounce. I would also have a lower entry. You better believe this entry is going to be pretty low. I'm going to go, shoot, man. We'll go 50%. A very low market cap coin. So I'll go 50%. Like, how much did it go down from here? From the break of this level, let's say right here, come down here, 60%. You see that? So by me saying 50%, it's not like, oh man, no, this is what it does. Or rather, this is what it can do. So if I had $100, I'd do 60 here. And then this would be a lower entry. Lower entry. So if I had $100, I would do 60 here and then 40 here. That's what I do. So hopefully you like that thought process. Let me catch up on the chats. Okay. VRA is dead. I know, man. Take it out and reposition. There's no way. I cannot see myself putting so many. Of course, for me, I always have $14. I literally put in like $13.75 in that coin. And right now it's not even worth a penny. So could it do something? Sure. Do I think it's going to go to 7 cents? No. 1 cent? Maybe. But for me, I can't. I don't know if it's my pride that's preventing me from doing it. But there's no way, like all the money that I put in, like literally I put in a decent amount of money. For me, decent amount. Like for others, maybe, oh, that's 10 cents to me. But there's no way I can sell it. I'll let it go zero. I will. So here, going to the list. Crypto Jamie says, can we look at SNX? I love that coin. Yeah, definitely. So let's do SNX. Okay, USDT. Oh, let's see if it's on Blowfin. And it is. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this one looks like it bottomed. It also looks like it bottomed here. Let's go to the weekly. So on the weekly, we had a buy signal over here, and then we did come down lower. They were thinking, I'm guessing the indicators were thinking that this was the low, but we ended up doing the lower. Let's go to the daily. I'm really liking this roundedness. So all this is just accumulation. Accumulation. I'm liking it. Bring this down. This up. So we're going to get a buy signal on the daily. We do have a bullish divergence. We have a low, a red, and a lower low, red. Then we have a low, which is lower than this. So this is a higher low. So that's our bullish divergence, which is currently playing out. I like it. We have this. Well, let me do this. We have this zone. Oh, it's like, what happened to it? So we have that there. We have that there. We'll do these in white. We have the zone that kind of concerns me a little bit, but once we break out of this, I think we'll do all right. So you can say we have a low and then a higher low. And this is on the macro. And I know there's some traders out there, Joe, don't you see it? We have a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. Oof. No, I don't. We have other traders out there. Joe, we have an Adam and an E. That actually looks good. You know, we just need to do that. And then break this. And then moon mission. This one I would agree with as far as the pattern. But there's some patterns that are like, man, it's so ugly. I'm liking it. Looks good. Let's see here. Talking food again. Steak. Steak. Unsteak is vegan. You guys are funny. VRA is dead. Man. And I was so happy too. The amount of money I put in, the price it went up to, when it was at 7 cents, I was showing my brother, and you know, it went all the way up to 8+ cents. And I showed my brother, like, dude, look, man, you got to get into crypto. Look, I put in X amount of dollars and look how much I have. Quick Swipe, Fine 89. What's up? Appreciate you. Greed and grease. Yep. See SNX a few months ago, and I wish I would have loaded up. I need to read more about it. So like a good one. Yeah, this one to me looks ready. Now, what I would do, because I do think that Bitcoin's going to pull back. I could be wrong, but I'm looking for the rollover. And I think that when this happens, it's going to pull all the alts down, in my opinion, depending on the market cap, easy 20 to 30 minimum. You know, the average, I'm guessing, is going to be like 35, maybe 50%. And so we could, let's say it doesn't happen. We don't get the pullback. If there's a coin you like, what I would recommend doing is putting some money in right now, you know, buying, buying, again, not financial advice, and then just have a lower entry, depending on what the market cap is. You know, if it's a low market cap, like say under 600 million or even 800 million, then you could expect those to go between the 35 and 50 retracement. If you have something that's like 1 billion, 1.2, 1.5 billion, then you can see the retracement about 20 to maybe 30%. So again, depending on the market cap, depends on the amount. So for this one, I don't know what the market cap is, but I would guess, you know, about 30, let's just say 35. 35, in my opinion, would be a good pullback area. Is TradeFly live today? Can y'all check on that? Let's see here, lower entry. And this would be a 2-month hold. Sell in November. Sell in November. Not financial advice. Now, do you have to sell all of it in November because it's just going up to the moon? No, you can sell half if you want. And then the next week you can sell half. The following week, you can sell half of your remainder. The following week, you can sell half of the remainder. So that's what I would recommend. Again, not financial advice. But doing this is good because let's just say it doesn't come down and it just goes up. Well, at least you got some now. And let's say we don't retrace. We don't have this happen. That's why I always plan A, plan B. If this doesn't happen, we go to the freaking moon. We go back into our power lines. And then we continue going all-time highs and go to 700 million gazillion dollars on Bitcoin. Let's go. Then we'll never see these prices again, more than likely. We'll see. See here. Uh-oh. Hey, what happened? Techman says, I made a Casper song with Grok, posted it in Discord. Very nice. Holy smokes. Dirk, you're my favorite. You are my favorite. Thank you so much for subscribing. Just to let you know, you are my favorite. Thank you. Let's see here. Going down the list. Going down the list. Okay. Man, I'm missing a lot of chat. What happened? Was I talking that long? Shorting a local top feels just as nerve-wracking as longing a top. In my current experience, just go down, Bitcoin. Yeah. I'm telling you. And it's so difficult because, well, there's FOMO. And the FOMO will continue until it doesn't. So the only thing we can do is just wait for a break to short. You know, right now we're bullish, but overall the macro we're bearish. Well, I am, and most of the VIP members are. And so one thing that I don't want is I don't want an echo chamber. So I actually encourage everybody to have their own thoughts, to back up their thoughts with, whatever they're thinking. And there's a few of them, and especially one of my very, very talented admins is like, yeah, I'm bearish. I've been bearish. I say, okay, well, good. For me, I'm bearish as well. Even though we're going up, I'm still bearish because for me personally, it's because we're underneath this trend line. Well, I call it power lines. We're underneath this power line zone. And he has other metrics that he uses. And sure enough, he's like, I'm the same, man. I'm bearish. And that's the thing that we have to understand. Yes, we can go up, but the bigger picture is what we're looking at. See here. Going down the list. Okay. Thank you, JR. Appreciate you, man. See, I say hello to everyone, JR, but not everyone appreciates it. Some say it's annoying. For me, if you're a content creator, it's not annoying because what that does, we have a metric that we look at. It's called the chat rate. And if it's at 0, that's not good. If it's at 1, it's not good. But if it's like at 5 or 7, that's really good because it shows YouTube and the algorithm that there's interaction, that there's movement, that there's, it's y'all aren't just like watching and just, playing on your phone or something. So YouTube will hopefully push it out to other people because there's like, hey, there's engagement here, there's interaction. Let's see if we can get some more people watching. But so for me, I absolutely love it. There are some YouTubers out there that are like, don't spam, or it's like, dude, really? I'm just saying hi to everybody, and it helps your algorithm. For me personally, please say hi to everybody because, well, it's more chat rates. Only news hold altcoins to the end of the cycle. It's a hard lesson to learn. Yeah, very true. Road Dogg's done it, talks about it, and that's what I love about Road Dogg. Like, he talks about his mistakes. Same thing with me. I talk about my mistakes, and that's so important because you can hear other people's stories And you may think, oh, I'm smarter. That's what I thought. Oh man, I'm smart. I know I can do that. I'm not gonna fall down that trap. And what happens? Like you have to touch the stove, feel it's hot. Like, yep, it's hot. But yeah. So here. Go in the list. Can we look at XNA? Definitely. Let's look at that one. Oh, let's put this in our watch list. Oh wait, YouTube, rapid fire. Where's YouTube? I missed it. YouTube. And I got so many lists. Okay. That one is XNA. I don't know about this one. Sounds familiar, I think. Let's go to weekly. Okay, it's seen better days. It's done nothing but drop. I don't know the market cap. I'm assuming AI due to the name. Let's go to the daily. Double click. Okay. So we had bearish divergence, but it played out already. This one is really, really rough. I would definitely set targets. It did have a move. This is a very small market cap. XNA. Does anybody know if Road Dog's going live? Where is it? Where could it be? Okay. So this is XNA. Oh yeah. So it doesn't take a lot of money to move it. It's 1.7 million. So let's just look at it. This is what I like doing. So this is XNA. It's up 108% all time. Okay. When was it? So we go to all. It was introduced about a year and we'll just say a year and 3 months. We had this really nice run up when all the other coins were running up, November, December of 2023. AI. And then we had another run up in November, December of 2024. And here it had a little pump. And then now it's just kind of sideways. These are the only exchanges. They've been around for a year, over a year. You would think that they'd be on more exchanges. Why aren't they on more exchanges? What are they? They are DeFi, okay, AI, distributed computing. I like it. I love distributed computing. Let's go to the website. Okay, connecting the real world with blockchain. I'm guessing Neura AI, I don't know, aims to be a platform to enable harnessing the power of AI algorithms for effective data. Okay, I like it. Predictive modeling, decision making, and IoT devices using blockchain. Okay, I like it. Solving a problem about us, nerd. I like it. Not a fan of the white background, but nice, clean, nerd. How to buy, tokenomics. Okay. So you can mine it. Having Okay. Nerd. Let's go back to home. Oh, wait, I'm way back behind. So we're looking at that. It's okay. The list. Okay. Run the list. Almost done. Okay. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay, I'm taking AVAX out of my short rotation. Yeah, that one had a nice move, but nobody knows. Nobody knows which is going to move. Okay, and I'm caught up. Awesome. All right, let's see here. So, I mean, I like it. It's doing stuff. Nerd. I mean, I like it. Okay, so now that we've found this, I'm really surprised that people aren't jumping on board on it. Okay, so we're here, 1.7 million. It can move very, very quick. So if you like this, you know, let's say you want to put $100 in, I'd be doing like $20. And it depends on the exchange too. Because if you're trying to buy $100 worth and you buy it all at one time and they're selling $20 worth here, $50 worth here, $10 worth here, another $10. So your $100 just moved the price. And that's what a lot of people don't understand about the order books. But I mean, I like it. So what I would do is, well, actually, here. There's been a few times, guys, this looks identical almost. We had a low, higher low, broke out. We have a low, higher low, break out, and then boop, another lower low. This one can continue coming out. It hasn't really like bottomed. Well, it hasn't created higher highs, higher lows. We'll just say it like that. It's trying, but they keep on dumping. What's the percentage for each one? 50? Okay. Okay, so for me, on this coin, what I would do is I would wait and I would actually set an alert right here. So I would set an alert at 0.0002188. And then the daily candle has to close above 0.0001905. That's my thought process before I enter, because it could continue just rolling over. All right, guys. Well, that is it for me. I don't think anybody searched for it, but I'm going to search right now for TradeFly. TradeFly, yeah. Oh, he's actually live right now. Cool. So let's go to TradeFly and make sure to put Trade Intuition Raid. I would really appreciate it. Trade Intuition Raid. I do thank you guys very much. You guys are the absolute best. Just remember, you don't have to be in a trade all the time. If you're seeing others succeed and showing all these gains, don't worry, you'll get there. They're not showing you all their losses. We'll just put it that way. And if you see a whole bunch of successful trades, just know that they're posting more trades than they're actually, showing results for. What I'm trying to do is put everything in perspective. I'm trying to, take off the little blinders to where you only see like all the greed, because we're attracted to greed, but I let you see everything. We're going to win. We're going to lose, guys. We're going to win. We're going to lose. The main thing is to manage your risk, have stop losses in place. Don't trade with a lot of money. And, when the market gets really good, you're going to have a lot of money to trade with. That's all I got. I do thank you. We'll see you in the next video. Remember, trade, intuition, raid. We'll see you then. Take care.